Hello fan collectors, today I present you with a Hunter Studio Series remote ceiling fan, and it is solely operated by remote control only. There is no pull chain for the fan, mind you, but for the light kit, yes, there is. And I got this ceiling fan on trade from fellow fan collector Dan Spiffy Newman, and Dan, thanks again for it. I really enjoy it. And let's take a walk around, shall we? Everything came with the fan except for the light fitter and the globes, and the globes came off my grandparents' Hunter low profile from 1990, 52-inch low profile, and I like the style of globes. And and I always had this dream. I always wanted to see them hung on a Studio Series remote. Well, polished brass one. Well, guess what? Thankfully, I was able to recycle the globes and manifest this dream into a reality. Sweet. Well, the blades are reversible walnut to oak. Okay, the reason why I pulled the chain to activate the light was because for some reason the light function doesn't work on the remote control. Might be a bad board, I don't know. And another thing is the ceiling fan was manufactured in 1997. And ironically, that's the same year that my White Hunter Studio Series remote, which you saw in another video, was manufactured around that time. So I guess 97 was a big era for the Studio Series remote manufacturer. I mean, these were very popular in the 90s, and they were sold at like Builder Square, Heckinger, that's where I remember seeing them, and even Service Merchandise. And there was one in the Service Merchandise catalog from the early 90s that was mounted just like this, flush mount with the oak blade showing, but it had a light kit, the Hunter light kit, similar to what you see in the Lansdowne over there. I will show you that fan in another video, so stay tuned. Okay, back to the Studio Series remote. Show you the Hunter logo on the nose. Here's the oak blade. And the other side is walnut. Yeah, these globes are really nice with the crystal and the ornate design at the bottom. Turn out the light. And here's the remote. And its cradle. I don't have it hooked up to the wall, but may eventually do that, I don't know. And here's the remote used to operate this ceiling fan. It has all the functions on it. Lights up. And we will start the fan off on low. Medium. Starting to feel a little bit of a draft here. And I'm out here now because the temperatures have gotten so much above freezing that I can come out here and film. Demonstrate my ceiling fans in downdraft. Disregard that, that's just the weather radio in the background. And we're going to try it on high, shall we? Has a slight shake to it, but it's not like... I've seen worse. It doesn't wobble violently, but guess it's to be expected with these hunters. It's cranking out a lot of air right now. Brr. Well, it is still winter, and I will regain my warmth by turning off the fan. Has a good spin down time too. I mean, for a spinner motor fan, it moves great air. Oops. Yeah, these Studio Series remotes are great fans. They were one of my favorites from my childhood. I was going to get one, but then when Hunter came out with the Infinity, it kind of had my mind set on that, so it kind of pulled me away from it. I mean, I like the styling of this fan, and number two, it had a remote control, so. Okay, Fantasy East Operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.